So using statement 1, if we assume that A is equal to -1, B is equal to -2, and C is equal to 1, we get this becomes 2 and BC becomes -2. So we get a yes. However, if we assume A is equal to -1, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 1, we get no, because AB becomes negative and BC becomes positive. The right approach in such questions is always to try to get a yes as well as no for each statement. We got so for statement 1, so statement 1 is not sufficient. Now in statement 2, if we assume A is equal to -1, B is equal to -2, C is equal to 1, AB becomes positive and BC remains negative. So we get yes as a possibility. However, when we put A is equal to -1, B is equal to -2, and C is equal to +1, we get no as a possibility. Sorry, that's just the same. So let's make AB negative. So let's make this positive. So yeah, we get no as a possibility. So what I'm doing is I'm taking cases which are satisfying these conditions. So in this case, we took cases where A was less than 0. In this case, we took cases where C upon B was less than 1. So see, in both the cases, C upon B is less than 1. However, we're getting yes as well as no. So statement 2 alone is also not sufficient. Combining I don't think helps because here we have got a yes as well as no, and in both the cases A is less than 0. So no, this statement is not adding any value to this statement thanks to the right assumptions we made anyway. A is less than 0. So combining also doesn't work. The answer is option E.